Hey, you guys. We recently had a boardroom podcast where we talked a little bit about MCP, Model Context Protocol. You guys have seen CI Web Group discuss Cortex AI, which is our own MCP. I want to take just a minute and explain how powerful an MCP is and how this will essentially change business in 2026. About 2 years ago, we started building our own infrastructure for AI. And over the last 6 months, we've finalized the majority of our entire MCP platform. So here's how it works. Okay, on the left-hand side, you have a control panel, i.e. a conversational chat system. So this could be Claude or Perplexity or ChatGPT, not Perplexity, ChatGPT or Claude. We utilize Claude right now. In the center, you have your MCP platform. That is kind of the center of the entire system. That MCP has the ability to connect to any other technology, resource, system, or tool, or knowledge base, and perform different functions depending on what those functions are that are available within those third-party systems or your own systems. For example, a function, i.e. an open API connection, might be get, pull, push, delete, archive, sift, sort, draft, send, analyze, develop a cohort, whatever those functions are. If the MCP is connected to a third-party application or your own technology or your own systems, and the function is available, you have the ability to have interoperability conversations between systems. So, for example, in our own business, I have the ability to sit behind a single dashboard and query something like, show me all of our clients whose traffic has increased by 100% or more, and evaluate their conversion performance to identify everyone whose conversions has not increased at the same or equal rate to their traffic. Same instance, I could easily say, tell me all of our customers whose booking rate is less than 20%, who has a bookable rate of over 80%. And instantaneously, it can analyze every single account, evaluate all of the what converts data, analyze all of the searchlight data, put all of that information into a single dashboard, and perform the next set of function. So I could now say, create a Slack message, send it to all of our clients who are currently booking at less than a 20% booking rate, letting them know we'd like to schedule time to discuss booking systems or AI booking systems to increase those booking rates. This is in a matter of seconds. So let's convert what an MCP looks like for you as a trades business owner. Just imagine sitting behind your ChatGPT or your Claude conversational chat platform and having your MCP give you the ability to simply ask a question. Tell me all my estimates that weren't sold today. Evaluate every single opportunity in our database where we should be recommending a tune-up. Send a quick message to all of our maintenance plan members and remind them of their upcoming renewal, including the renewal date, if the renewal is within 30 days or less. Identify every single system that is an HVAC system that's aged 10 years or longer. They're not in a maintenance agreement. Send a message to all of those clients recommending our maintenance program. You could utilize this to automatically send a message to every customer after an installation asking for an NPS survey or a Net Promoter Score survey or a review. You could automatically track your review velocity, performance, or incentives. In a matter of seconds, you could have it notify you of any expenses that were over the expense rate. Send a text message to every single one of your technicians who might have overused their credit card that day. Quickly analyze every call that came in where a CSR stated that they were going to call them back with more information or have a technician call back. So an MCP allows you to access multiple systems at the same time. Imagine being able to query a specific set of information that's at the top of your head inside your ServiceTitan account, then go check in your QuickBooks account, then go check in your email, then go check your Slack, and then follow up with a simple report. Or you guys are preparing for your Monday meeting and you want to go over the performance from the prior week, and you can analyze everybody's performance, evaluate it against goal, build an entire presentation in a matter of seconds. So as you guys are going into 2026, I know a lot of companies are looking at different technology that they are possibly considering. I want you to think about this a little bit different. Change the scope and change the logic of how you go about your technology evaluations. One of the first questions should not necessarily be price. One of the first questions that should be asked of all technology providers that you plan on working with or are evaluating, and it should be, what are the open API endpoints that are available within your technology? The more open endpoints within the technology, whether it's a CRM or ERP or field management system, dispatching system, review system, and so forth, the more of those open endpoints that are available, the more capabilities you'll have as you roll into 2026 and have the ability to utilize an MCP similar to what we've done in our own business. The days of traditional zaps and automated workflows that break are over. The days of wondering what's going on in your business or working from spidey senses will also be over. If you're a gamer, I refer to this as God mode. This gives you the ability to have instantaneous access to information, data, predictive analysis, and even advanced notifications of things that you might not have found out to the end of the year or the end of the quarter. So as you guys roll into 2026, the technology that will be available to you is going to change everything. Like everything. Business is going to get easier. Don't be afraid of AI. Don't be afraid of technology, because the right technology implemented with the right tools and the right systems, it's going to save you a tremendous amount of time, give you access to information you may never have had before, and allow you to make better decisions in your business. I look forward to 2026. You guys stay posted. We built these platforms and the infrastructure for our own business first. As a marketing agency, it's important for us to be able to have instant ability to be able to perform functions, content at scale, backlinks at scale, social media, all of these different elements of a marketing agency. We had to solve that first, but what we're releasing in 2026 will blow your mind, because our next goal is to help you automate your business the same way we've automated ours.